One of the beers that I've had some people asking me about is Dos Equis. And Dos Equis, they do have a couple different versions or variations on their tap handles. These are two of the ones that you'll see a lot. So there's this one here. This one, I'm not quite sure whether or not this is actually wood or if it's cast out of something. I believe it's wood, but I'd have to double check. Actually, maybe it's not because we do have the raised lettering here, and raised lettering like that is more common on something that's cast out of resin or something like that. But I'll do a little bit more research and see if I can figure out what that's made out of. This one over here is a metal tap handle, so you can see there on the sides, and there on the bottom. And obviously, with metal, you can also tell by the actual heat of it, or the how it responds to heat, I should say. But both of these are pretty solid tap handles. I like how both of them incorporate the logos as you'd kind of like expect there. So you've got the two X's there and the two X's there, the Dos Equis. And you do have some other nice little touches here. The incorporation of the green and gold color scheme is pretty great. With this metal one over here, there's a couple different ways that you may see this. You may see this one with a flat metal section that goes over here. That'd be your standard way of seeing it. You may see it with that section not being here, which is the case for this particular one. And then, if I remember correctly, they do have a couple of inserts that can go on there, a couple of different toppers that you can have for this particular tap handle. So it is worth noting that you may see this one in different variations. And then with either one of these, they do use that standard threading. And so that means that it'll work with your regular displays, it'll work with adapters that I do, all that sort of stuff. I did have people that were asking about Dos Equis, so that's one of the reasons why I wanted to cover this. But if you're wondering about any specific brands like Dos Equis, or if you're wondering about any variants, let me know, and I'll try and queue up some more videos.